can't breathe. I think I'm dying. I call 911. Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm feeling better, so I didn't finish the pills. That gets you to the hospital real fast. Oh my god, you're supposed to finish the pills when you take the pills. Finish the bottle, Kea. You didn't finish the bottle. Are you okay? Okay, stay with me. Stay with me. Hi, this is Helen. In the previous video that you have seen was all actors, but it is a PSA for bacteria and infections and antibiotic resistance bugs. Bacteria cells are in the bloodstream. Antibiotics are taken in order to kill the bacteria cells. A dose of antibiotics kill weaker strands of bacteria, leaving very few bacteria cells left. When the person stops taking antibiotics to kill the bacteria, the last few bacteria cells are still able to thrive and they begin reproducing. Since they are still alive and can withheld the first attempts of antibiotics, they have mutated in order to withstand the same antibiotics again. They've reproduced more and more, and the new bacteria cells' offsprings become antibiotic resistant. Bacteria cells usually enter the body through improper hand washing. Some bacteria are airborne, so they transfer person to person easily through the air. If the bacteria pass from one human to the other, and that bacteria is antibiotic resistant, then the person who receives the bacteria next will have antibiotic resistant strands. Natural selection influences the effectiveness of antibiotics and the violence of infectious agents because when the weaker strands of bacteria cells die, there are only a few left. When the person believes that they are better because they are experiencing they're not experiencing symptoms anymore, then they stop taking the antibiotics. The thriving strands begin to mutate because they have survived the antibiotics. They will then reproduce, and the antibiotics will not be effective against them. National and international agencies include those who try to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. International agencies try to combat antibiotic-resistant cells by meeting and deciding on guidelines to follow in treatment in infections. They set up policies when to treat and when not to treat, how to prevent and how not to prevent. The spread of antibiotic resistance is upheld by PPE, personal protective equipment.
Types of antibiotic resistant diseases are MRSA, VRSA, and CMRSA. Others include ESBL, VRE, and MDR-TB.